Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yes guys, I am home finally. I'm home. So I came home last night and today Saturday. So today I'm just doing some maintenancing stuff. Like for example, I'm gonna go get my toes done because I got them chipped the other day. I hit my toes or whatever and they got chipped, so I'm on my way to get my toes done right now. And then after that I have my laser hair appointment. It's been like 2 months now since I went, so I missed like an appointment, one session already. So hopefully, we get back on track with that. And then after that I am going to be doing my lashes because I look like a naked Borat with no lashes on, y'all. So so that's what I'm about to go do. So I'm just like, let me take you guys along with me so you guys can see the glow up, okay? And then tonight my boyfriend have like a surprise something. I don't know. He doesn't want to tell me what it is exactly. He just say to get dressed or whatever, blah blah blah, look cute or whatever. So yeah, you guys. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. You guys, we're home. I'm so happy. I don't know how long I'm gonna be home for, but I'm just happy that I'm home for the time being. So yeah guys, so we're kind of running a little late, but it's okay. We're almost there. The appointment's at 1 and it's currently 12:55, but I'm almost there, so I'll check in with you guys when I get there. Alright y'all, so I just finished my toes and I don't like it. Like, oh my god. So what happened was I chipped one of my big toe. So now it just looks weird. I mean, he asked me if I wanted to put like like a tip on it, but I kind of don't like really putting on tips in my toes, and I just wish I did, because now it just look crazy. Like, y'all, I don't know, like the other toe looks fine, but this one, the left toe, the one that I hit and it chipped, it looks crooked and stuff, and I don't like it. But here, let me show you guys my toes. So this is the left toe with the crooked toe. This is the other one. You guys see the difference? Like, my toes look a little crusty, but you guys can see the difference, how this one is more precise and this one is just crooked. Like, I don't know, I feel some type of way. I don't know. All right y'all, so update. So I just got to the eyelash, well, not the eyelash, the laser removal place, and she's running a little late, so I decided to go and get some cash because I need some cash so I can go do my lashes right after. So I'm like, let me just run to the bank real quick, and I found this ATM nearby. So yeah guys, so I'm about to go in, and I'm scared. Like, honestly, I'm scared. I know I've done this before, but it's like I'm still scared, like, because I don't remember how it goes. Like, I don't remember, so like I'm really scared. But anyways, I hope everything goes well. It's quick, and I know it's quick, so like, so that's good. But yeah guys, so pray for me. After that I will update you guys how it went, and then we're gonna go do our lashes. All right y'all, so we in here. I'm about to get cleaned up. Okay, I'm scared, y'all. Please pray for me. Please pray for me, please. This is the machine we're using, the YAG. All right, y'all. So I forgot to update y'all, but yeah, it was bad. Like, it was bad. Like, it was painful, but it was so quick. So, and I always say that unless you like experience it, you won't really understand. But you guys, it was durable. I did it. I'm happy, and I'm not going to miss. I'm gonna try my best to not go you know, too far again, because I'm supposed to go every, like, she recommends every 4 to 6 weeks, but it's been like what, almost like 2-3 months. It's been almost 3 months. So I'm gonna really try this time, even if I'm like traveling, and so I'll try to like come back home for the weekend and make sure I do it, because it's like I'm starting all over again. And yeah, I like, you know, how my progress was going before I stopped, and now I'm starting all over again. So I'm really gonna try to be consistent with it and stuff like that, and hopefully that helps. But yeah, I just made it to my eyelash appointment. Your girl about to get her lashes done, so I'm excited about that. And then yeah, after that I'm gonna go home and get ready for later, my little date. Okay, all right you guys, so I'll check in with you guys later. All right y'all, so I am done. I got the lashes done, you guys. It wasn't that bad, it wasn't quick. I mean, it wasn't long, but you guys, like, they feel so weird. Like, I don't know why, but they feel weird. I don't know if it's because, yeah, I have like aloe vera all over my chin, because I did my chin too. But anyways, yeah, I don't know why, but they just feel a little comfortable. I guess it's because it's been a minute since I had them. I don't know, but they just feel weird. But I guess it's gonna take a minute for me to get used to them, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm heading home right now. It's already 6 o'clock. I'm almost home. I'm actually gonna stop to do gas, because I don't know where we're going, and I don't know if we're gonna use my car or not. I don't know. So I'm just gonna pass by and do gas. And yeah guys, so I'm honestly so tired. Like, I need a nap. Like, I don't know, I just feel like I need a nap. But right when I get home, I'm just gonna eat something quickly, and after that I'm gonna start getting ready, because he said get ready by 7. So, oh, look at that red Range. I ain't gonna lie, I want me a red Range Rover. But anyways, yeah you guys, so yeah, I'll check in with you guys later once I'm getting ready. And all right y'all, so I'm in the middle of doing my hair. I'm in a rush, so that's why I'm like on the go. My sister is doing my edges, because I don't know how to do edges, and she does. She's listening to Issy Meme. I don't know if you guys know her, but we getting our edges done. You guys, I'm running really behind on time, so all I had time was to do like a ponytail with some bangs. So hopefully it goes with the outfit. But I'm just trying to like hurry up, because I was supposed to be done and ready by 7, and it's already 7. So my face is not even done yet. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick little beat. Yeah, my face look good. It look good. But yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys the ending outfit, how it turned out, okay? Because I don't think I'm gonna have time to like show my whole makeup process. So how we do. Hey guys, so I totally forgot. Well, not forgot, I didn't forget. It's just that I was in a rush and I had to hurry up and get out because I was late. But anyways, you guys, we made it. So what he had planned was a surprise dinner, private dinner. He had a surprise dinner for us, a chef or whatever. He had like a chef came and cooked us some good food. The food was good. I'm gonna insert some pictures and stuff. Oh yeah, I'm trying to figure out the light situation. But yeah, the food was really good. The food was really good. Say hi, babe.
Hey, people.
Say hi.
That's a good night. We eat good.
We eat
Being good, yeah.
Yeah, so the food was really, really good. Like it was like with some, okay, well the menu, so let me see what does it say. Dinner menu, it was garlic saute, broccolini saute, lobster tail and claws, garlic herb butter sauce, and bell pepper herb jasmine rice, and mashed potatoes, and seared scallop and shrimp. You guys, it was really, really good. And I think this place is super, super cute. Like, it's really small, but it's really, really cute. Like, I actually would live here. I would live here. But anyways, yeah. So, yeah, you guys. So, we're just gonna, I don't know. Babe, you ate the rest of my food? He ate the rest of my food. I was gonna finish my food, but he ate it because I guess he was hungry. But, say hi to everybody.
Say hi. Hey, people.
Hey, people. What else do you want to say?
No,
huh?
I made the food. I cooked.
No, he did not.
I made the food, and then we eat it. The food was good.
Anyways, y'all. But yeah, you guys. So I'm gonna just show you guys around a little bit, and then after that, that's gonna be kind of the end of the vlog because I don't know what else we want to do tonight. I wanted to go dance, so I don't know if we're gonna go to like a party or something since it's my first night back. So yeah, guys, I was really surprised. Cause yeah, it was actually a surprise because I didn't really plan this. I didn't know what he had planned. He just said, oh, get dressed or whatever, we're going somewhere. He got something planned. I was like, okay. So it was pretty nice and I really appreciate it, babe. Thank you. But yeah, guys, so thank you guys so much for coming along. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. This is coming in. This is the living room. Say hi, babe. I think it's super cute. It's really small, but I really like it. Like, it's super cute. And there's like a balcony outside in the front, but the door's not opening, so I don't know. So whatever. Yeah, you guys, it's really cute. This is the bedroom. This bed is super cute. The bathroom is really nice and spacious. Hi guys. It's really cute. Everything is very nice and spacious. So yeah, guys, like I'm actually still surprised and stuff, so it's pretty cool. So hey guys, now I'm about to go take some pictures. All right, y'all. I think this is so cute.